Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your credit card security freeze and unfreeze step by step clearly. To update your credit card security freeze, begin by gathering the necessary information. This includes your personal identification, such as your social security number, date of birth, and address. Next, locate the credit reporting agencies that manage your credit freeze. The three major agencies are Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Visit their respective websites for specific instructions on updating a freeze. Log into your account on the agency's website. If you do not have an online account, you may need to create one using your personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the section labeled Security Freeze or Credit Freeze. Choose the option to update your credit freeze. Follow the prompts to verify your identity, which may require answering security questions. After verification, you can enter the new information for your credit card. Be sure to check for any specific requirements each agency might have for updating your freeze. Once you've submitted the updated information, wait for confirmation from each agency. This confirmation may arrive via email or through your online account. To unfreeze your credit card, return to the same agency website. Log into your account as before. Locate the section for managing your security freeze. Choose the option to lift or remove the freeze. Again, you may need to verify your identity. In some cases, you might be asked to provide a PIN or password that was issued during the initial freeze. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the unfreeze process. Once submitted, you should receive a confirmation of the change. Keep an eye on your email or online account for this confirmation. Finally, remember that you can unfreeze your credit as needed, whether temporarily or permanently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.